Hello guys, how are you? What are you doing right now? This is my oldest. This is my one of the oldest table. This is 10-year-old, totally destroyed. I think I have to repair. This. I have to repair this. This is accurate table for all arm wrestler, and now I'm going to clean this. After cleaning, I have to make this wooden new one. First of all, I can clean for some dumbbell practice or any other home practice. This wooden is totally lost. Yeah, you can see this. It's destroyed. I have to make a new one. And the iron is very strong. I think iron is very strong, but I have to make this wooden box, not box, wooden. I think it's good for dumbbell practice. Like that. It's good for some tube practice. Okay, I will show you when I make this new one, and after that I will show you another more one practice on this table. Before that, I was giving you practice in homemade equipment, and within a week, after 1 week, I will show you practice in this at this table. And before, I'm going to make a new video for homemade practice. If you want to how practicing in your home, how can you strong your grip, how can increase your tendon muscle, how can increase your biceps, only for arm wrestlers, not for bodybuilders. Here is a lot of difference between bodybuilders muscle and arm wrestlers muscle. Subscribe me.